Heyo guys, what's up? What's going on? So here I got another comment. Is it possible to add Clownfish as a VST plugin to OBS so that it can be used as a filter and can be turned on, but that the microphone or Discord doesn't change the sound? So basically, this guy want different sounds on different platform. Like while live streaming or maybe recording, he wants voice changer. And at the same time, speaking on Discord with friends or whatever, he want his actual voice. Yes, it's possible. You need two things first. One, of course, OBS, and the second one is VB virtual audio cable, right? There's a two versions, one for Mac and the other one for Windows right now. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download it and click Start Download. Yes, open the folder, and then you need to extract it in the same folder. So it will be easier to find the folder if you have a lot of folders. Now, here's two options. The first one, VB cable setup. The second one, VB cable setup. 64-bit, if you are using 64-bit, just double tab on 64-bit and click on Install. But as you can see here, Load DRVX is denied to register. So what you need to do here, right? Click on it and then Run as administrator, a pop-up will appear. Just click on Yes, and then install it now. Simply click on Install. It will be installed in your PC. Installation complete and successful. Okay, now configuration is too easy. Let me show you how it works. Now, you have two microphones. Just suppose in your PC, you have two microphones. Let me show you Control Panel, Hardware, and Sound. Once you are here, recording, you will see. Here now, see here, cable output. And the other one is microphone, which is your main microphone, of course. Now what you need to do here first, you need to allow your voice in your cable output. And for that, you need to transfer your audio from your microphone that you are using. Just right-click on it, go into the properties, listening. Listen to this device. Enter the virtual audio cable, right? Input. There's only one option, input. Just choose it. And then disable automatically. Save forward. If you are using laptop, it's important to disable this feature. And then click on OK. Now you have C2 microphone. The cable output is also monitoring your voice, and your microphone definitely monitoring your voice and transmitting at the same time your voice into the cable output. And now what we gonna do next? We need to configure it in Clownfish Voice Changer. And for that, let me open my Clownfish now. Here is my Clownfish Voice Changer. All right, guys. Now go into the setup and then microphone now. As I said, you have two microphone. You can change here. Microphone cable output. So you will hear the cable through cable. And the other option is OBS also. And of course, we need Discord as well. Now here you need to click on the plus icon and you need to add your audio input, audio output, or input. You need to add input here right now, right? Click on it, go into the properties, and you need to select here your microphone, or you can actually select here cable output like this. Now your cable output is basically recording. Now the next step is, you need to set here your cable output. Next step is you need to set here your cable output also. Once you select here, microphone cable output. Now, once you have done this, go into the system integration. And you need to install here the cable output as well. Cable output done now. Just once. Restart your Clownfish. Can select here the virtual audio cable, which is from going to the properties. And select here the virtual audio cable, so you can transfer your audio cable sound. Transfer you audio cable sound, but for audio cable sound, you need to change it like as a voice changer. So in the clone phase, you need to select your microphone to the cable output, right? And also go into the system integration, and you need to install here the cable output. So at now the thing is how cable output will work. Like, there is no sound in cable output or any device that transmit your audio in cable output. So for that, you can go into the control panel and you can go hardware and sound, and then sound, and here you can simply see your microphone, and here is your cable output. And right now, cable is also monitoring my voice from microphone, because microphone is for that. Just double tap on your microphone. Listen. Audio. Check this option and transmit your audio playback through this device. Cable output. So now what you are speaking, your audio will transmit into the cable output. And your cable output is by using Clownfish. And by Clownfish, like Clownfish is changing your voice, so that's how it's work. And you can see it's monitoring. But there's other ways are as well, because Clownfish is the open version and a lot of glitches in it. So what you can do here first, let me disable this cable output audio from recording. And right now, you can see there's no audio in the mic hoax. Now, the other thing is I guess this voice changer is more better than the Clownfish dubbing AI. You can download it actually. I have already make tutorial video on it. How it's work, so you can also watch that tutorial. I will provide the link in the description once it is done. Now it will provide you a lot of different voices. Now simply you need to check this option voice changer and choose any voice over here. I suppose I am going with this one. All right. Now you cannot hear the actual sound like the voice changer sound in recording. But here is the sound. And this is the Yoru, Valorant and Breach. Now this software will provide you another feature which is called Adopter. You can simply set your adopter over here into the OBS. Go into the properties, choose your dubbing AI virtual device, right? Okay. And right now the audio in OBS is from your dubbing AI. Go into the Discord. Settings. You can also choose here the dubbing AI. Now see, it's a voice changer. So that's all. You can just choose different adopter for different softwares like OBS, Discord, or in-game. Even you can choose these adopters. These adopters will be available. And yeah, that's it for today's guys. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section for Clownfish. There is a lot of glitches. Maybe sometimes it works. Sometimes it's not working properly because it's an open source. We cannot complain if we drop any complaint, it will not be proceeded. So that's why. But anyways, both method will work perfectly for you. You can try out and let me know. Your feedback, have a good day. Bye-bye.